Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. How to get girls on Monkey app. In the Monkey app, if you want to chat exclusively with girls, you'll need to use the gender filter feature, which requires a subscription. Start by opening the chat section and selecting the both or global option, then choose the filter to target girls only. To unlock this, subscribe to either Monkey Plus or Monkey Plus Plus. Monkey Plus provides a limited number of filtered matches, while Monkey Plus Plus offers unlimited filters over your chosen subscription period, which can range from 7 to 30 days. After subscribing, simply press Start Match, and the app will automatically connect you with users of the selected genre. You can also adjust your preferences anytime during your subscription. Subscriptions sometimes include discounts, so check for the best deal before purchasing. This is currently the only way to reliably access the girls only chat option on Monkey app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.